A joint police/military intelligence operation led to the discovery of more than 320 devices that are suspected to be explosives at a premise on Darling Street in the Kingston Western Police Division on Monday, October 16. In a release, the police said the operation was based on high-quality intelligence obtained through the diligent use of various technologies and other methodologies. We wish to underline the commitment and expertise of our officers who, by conducting this operation without any casualties, have demonstrated exemplary operational dexterity, said the police. However, it declined to provide further details on the discovery. While we understand the public's need for information, the very sensitive nature of this discovery means that certain specifics cannot be shared at this time. Currently, experts are conducting chemical tests to ascertain the exact nature of the substances found. The JCF, Jamaica Constabulary Force, will provide updates as and when it's appropriate, added the police. It cited the seizure as a testament to the intelligence-gathering capacity of local law enforcement agencies, which it said underscores our unyielding commitment to ensuring the safety of the Jamaican people.